If you have just 10 minutes, join me for this gorgeous cardio flow. It's cohesive, it's connected, it's low impact, there's no repeats, and there's no equipment involved. Let's move our bodies. All right, take some space, take a nice deep breath. Each exercise is 30 seconds, so let's get started. Hands behind the head. We have a little twisting march here. Each exercise will be on the screen as well. I tend to over talk in these videos, so I'm gonna try to let the music do the talking, offer some minimal cues. For this, I just want you to think of a standing crunch with a nice twist. Utilizing your breath, maybe pointing your feet off the floor. Next up is a very low impact skater. So I want you to feel like you are absorbing impact. I'm bare feet and you can't even hear me. You're like a cat, a ninja cat. You're a ninja kitty. Okay, again, engage the abs as you come in. I do side to side arms. Keep moving, keep breathing, we're just warming up. You're gonna pick a side. Okay, you're gonna go side to side skater into a little lunge, and we're gonna find a little here, in. Skater, lunge, in. Side, lunge, in. I'm staying in a bit of a crouch position, so my abs can stay braced, and my knees are a little happier in this position as well. Keep that deep breathing. Okay, so I'm gonna pick a side. My right leg's going back. I'm gonna knee drive. You can start slow and then speed it up as you're ready. Listen to your knees, make modifications. Try to align that knee over the toe. As fast or as slow as you want here. Driving those hips forward. Forward, a little balance. Same knee, we're gonna take the knee up and then step the other leg down. So a little knee and slide. If you feel like you can, add a little twist. Don't feel like you have to touch the floor, but why not? Lots of focus on the abs. You don't always have to do crunches to feel it, feel your core. Okay, the leg that was driving up is gonna kick now. Forward, forward. I'm doing like a little ball change to the back and driving the opposite elbow over. Speed it up if you can. Twist, again, lots of core. Like you're wringing out your organs. Nice cleansing breaths. Keep it going, keep it light. Whole thing on the other side, okay? So left leg behind, little lunge to knee dive. Go slow until you feel like you have a good pattern, good trajectory. Speed it up. Keep it flowing, keep your focus, keep your balance. Lots of focus on the breath, through the body, through the muscles. Okay, so same knee drive. Replace the foot, other leg back to your lunge. Knee, lunge. It's like a little Charleston. Knee, watch the alignment of the knee over the toe. As you come down, keep your chest open. Your shoulders back. Nice positive thoughts here. Feels good to move the body. Exercise is a privilege, not a punishment. Get to that same leg into those kicks. Kick. Into your little ball change. Speed it up when you can. Ready? Drive through the foot. Kick. Flex foot. Tight core. All right, we're headed into a squat. Okay, so we have little jabs here. Right, left, squat. Feet are wide. Right, squat. Think sharp, and precise for those little air punches. My hips don't feel super warm for squats yet, so I'm taking the squat a little slower. Again, brace the core. Good. Double pulse at the bottom. We have a squat pulse to a releve. So find your balance. Down, down, rise. A moment to get the quads burning. Engage your glutes at the top, but not too much. No arch. A nice controlled bounce at the bottom. Okay, so for the next exercise, just take out the pulse, squat, stand. Now, I want a little more, so I'm gonna jump it. Nice and easy. I'm hardly leaving the floor. I still want to focus on low impact. Keep going. Push if you can. Go back to those squats if you need to. Maybe a squat releve. A little wider. Sumo stance. Flat back, round overhead. So from the side, we're not rounded. Really squeeze your butt on this one at the top. Down, squeeze. As fast as you want. Keep your breath flowing. Everything moving together. Good, good, good. Okay, keep the feet wide. We're gonna put the hands down. Step one foot back at a time to high plank. Each foot forward, arms up. Okay, alternate feet every time. What? This isn't a burpee. It's a little grasshopper move, right? Totally different. Flow. Gentle through the joints. Okay, stay down on the last one. Hold. I want you to crouch, bend your knees and sit your hips back and forward between your hands, and then push through to plank. Open the shoulders, stack up. Open, stack. Crouch, engage your booty. Crouch, engage your quads. Okay. Stay breathing. Keep it dynamic. Keep it flowing. Good. All right, hold here, idle little plank. You can modify in your knees if you want. Down to the elbow, up to the hand. We're alternating sides. Try at least a few on your toes. Try to move efficiently. Tight butt. Core tight. Shoulders down. Okay, stay in your high plank if you can. Side to side walk. So this is arm and leg, back where you came from. Try not to pike your hips. This is not the same thing. Get your hips down. Side to side. Side. Stay breathing. Woo, get a little sweat going. All right. Knees come down for a second. Press back. We're right back into that high plank. Soft knees. You're gonna do a little step up to the right. Step back. Step up. Step back. Step up. This burns my shoulders like crazy. You get a little oblique. Little hops. Side steps. Good. Okay, stay. We're gonna come down to a forearm plank. This is our last thing. Power hold. Now look at the video if you can. Reach your elbows out a little farther and hold. Squeeze everything. Nice and tight. Hold. Stay breathing. Tight booty. Good. Knees down, hips back. For just our last 30 seconds, we're gonna stretch into our downward dog. Take care of everything. So heels down, hips up, hold. Take a nice deep breath. And don't even think of this as an exercise. Think of this as a cool down. You're gonna roll through your back to your plank, and then try to arch your back, tailbone up to the ceiling. Hold. Nice and slow, you guys. Roll through your body. Plank. Up and hold. Stay, let's do it one more time, and then we'll come up to standing, and you are done. Hopefully you're nice and warm. Do the plank. Hold in your downward dog. Slowly walk your hands back to your feet. Soften your knees so we can really bend. Dangle there for a second. Shake your head no. And yes. Ground through your feet. Roll it up. And that is our 10-minute cardio flow. Great job. See you next time. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in